The is a definite article. An article which is used to a particular or unique person or thing is known as the definite article. The is used with unique things like the sun, the moon, the sky, the world, the universe, the east, the internet. Like the sun rises in the east, or everybody uses the internet today. The article is also used with the names of rivers, gulfs, seas, groups of islands, and range of mountains like the Indus River, the Amazon, the Nile. The article is also used with holy books or well-known books like the Holy Quran, the Bible, the Odyssey, the Paradise Lost. Anyway, the is also used with the names of oceans and the mountain ranges. Examples: the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, the Karakoram, the Alps. The article is also used with the historical buildings like the Taj Mahal, the White House, the Eiffel Tower, the Westminster Abbey, the Blue Mosque, the Lotus Temple, the Pyramids of Giza. The is also used with newspapers and magazines. Examples: the Pakistan Times, the New York Times, the Nation, the Wall Street Journal, the News International, the Daily Junk, and so on. The is also used with nationalities, the sects, and the communities like the Muslims, the British, the Sikhs, the French, and so on. The is also used in superlative forms, means the third degree of adjectives. Examples: the best, the worst, the most, the least, the smallest, the youngest, and so on. The is also used with some time expressions like in the morning, the afternoon, the evening, the day before yesterday, the spring, the fall, the past, the present, the future, the 18th century, the 1960s, or the 60s. The is also used with ordinals like the first, the second, the last. The is also used with words when they are used as adjectives like the previous, the following, the next, the last, the same, the only. The is also used with some provinces or the places as the part of the name like the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, the Middle East, the Philippines, the Arab world, and the Baltics. The is also used with some provinces like the Punjab, a province of Pakistan. The is used with its name as it symbolizes 5 rivers. The is also used with musical instruments like the guitar, the violin, the piano, the saxophone. The is also used with double comparatives like the more I earn, the more I spend, or the more I eat, the lesser I like. The is also used for the persons or things used for the second time. Example: I went to a cinema and the cinema was very neat. The next are the words where the article is not used. The article is not used with names like Sarah, Jane, Jack. We don't say the Sarah, the Jane, the Jack. Same Same way, we don't use the with abstract nouns. Example: the love, the hatred, the jealousy, the honesty are incorrect. Rather, only love, hatred, jealousy, and honesty. Same way, the article is not used with languages like the English, the French is wrong. Example: English is the language of the English. Here, first English is used for the language. So, here we don't use the. Whereas, the English is used for the nation. Same way, we don't use the with metals like the gold, the silver, the copper is wrong. But if the metals are of some brand like the air white gold, then we can use the with it. We don't use the article with games and sports like the cricket, the baseball, the soccer, the swimming is incorrect. The correct is I like cricket. We don't say I like the cricket. Notice the article has two sounds, the and the. Before consonant sound, we say the, and before vowel sound, we pronounce it like the. Example: the egg, the airplane. E and A are vowel sounds, so we pronounce it like the. Same way, the theater, the telephone. Th and ta are consonant sounds. So here we pronounce it like the. The theater, the telephone.